I'm going to show you how to take a picture with your MetaView app and your Ray-Ban Story glasses. And we're going to pick up our glasses, and on the right-hand side, you're going to see there's this little doohickey here. To take a photo is you're going to press it and squeeze it and hold it for like a second. And you're going to see a white light that tells everybody around you that you're taking a picture. I'm going to press it. And it just took a picture. Now if I go, let me fold them up and set them right here for just a second. Now if I go in here and I click import, it's going to bring that in. It wants to join Wi-Fi, so I have to join. And I'm going to go ahead and join in. Every time you have to do that, unfortunately. Let's keep it open while it loads up, and then we can view it. Bam, here's the picture I took. Not a very good one, but that is the photo. And that's how you take a photo with this. You can also share it. You can send it to Instagram. You know, it's got a bunch of different things you can do with it. So you guys can experiment with that and figure it out. But that's how you get a photo taken with your Ray-Ban Stories. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.